Alright, we've been gone a while, but it's time to start doing some things. There is one piece of chrome left on this truck, and I can't stand it.
There's only one piece?
Except for the wheels on the truck.
So there's two pieces.
Shut up. The fender badge. We're gonna get rid of this today. Because I'm tired of it. Tired of it.
So what do we got? What are we doing to fix this?
We've got some black American flags, sheet metal, and take the fender badges off, trim these down to size, and stick them in there. We'll show you the process.
Let's do it.
First of all, best tools to keep around. If you're ever doing like, I don't know, trim work or interior work, I never uploaded a video on the stereo system, but I did a whole stereo system throughout the whole truck. Me and Brandon did. But plastic panel removing clips or tools, so good. And then just use a microfiber around it if you're doing it around painted surfaces so it doesn't scratch it.
And
But
just pop off some
super
clips.
easy.
Look at that. Pop them
Alright.
right out. Here they are. You're welcome. I found that. Alright, let's figure out the hard part.
Yeah.
Give me an
Just
explanation.
drilled out these
Plastic
five rivets, and that was it. I mean, this vented part,
We're gonna put some 3M down to hold it down.
yeah, but I mean, it gets butted up against the truck anyways, where the adhesive goes and clips in. But
Right.
dude,
Easy peasy.
super easy.
And you can still like hang on your wall or something.
Sure. All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Oh, we decided that this inside the fender piece is a little too recessed in there, so I think putting that piece down in here is gonna look kind of funky. So we're just drilling out the rivets that had the XLT and F150 on it. Put this back in, 3M, tape it inside. We can just put the American flag on top of it.
It's genius.
Genius.
Watch us
Work.
Found a slight dilemma. That is this piece.
This isn't, so this is straight up and down, or these sides are even,
straight.
but this is at an angle.
Yeah.
So
We're
we'll see
gonna put
what
the
we
flag
come
on
up
a
with.
little crook. You'll see. Just watch it happen.
Watch us work.
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 Work. Work. Steady hands.
Yeah, right.
Make sure it's the right way. That would have been bad.
This way.
Upside down flag. People would have not been so happy about that.
You're not so happy.
Wait.
What?
That's the stars on the bottom?
No?
That's the wrong way.
That is the wrong way.
That way. This needs to go on the bottom, so that should be on this part of the flag. Yep. Just like that. And whatever needs me in his life.
Come on, you donkey.
Just like that. No pressure.
Oh, I'm just gonna line up this side first. Line this side, shoot this side.
It's perfect. Never seen a better job in my life.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Cut.
So If you commented that we're childish, we are.
Yeah, we are childish.
If you don't like the channel. Let's see the work.
Still gotta sand it down, but there she be.
A little bit of sanding. We take a plastic pretty plate off the top.
But there it be.
Pops right in.
Boom.
I'm part of the video too, and we got a little surprise, huh?
Yeah.
What's the surprise, Evan?
This. Oh, not this.
Oh,
That.
oh. Check it out. Not too bad. Yeah, there's some 3M tape so we can stick it on there, but there you go. No more chrome on your chrome. Yeah, pretty good. All right, let me give you guys a before. So we haven't got this side done yet. See, F150, myself as a reflection, chrome, no chrome, no chrome, no chrome, no chrome, no chrome. That was good.
Boom.
Boom. We're just so good.
Schniggity boom.
Schniggity boom.
Schniggity. Boom, schniggity boom.
Now we're gonna go to the store, get some 3M. So we're back after eating some pizza. It's a little bit darker. Can't tell. We gotta get this done. We're gonna put some tape on here. We got that scotch that you guys saw earlier. It's done.
Oh, wait. Tape. Stick. Push.
That's not going anywhere. It's on upside down.
Wouldn't go in.
That's. Never mind. Pops it up. All right. Moment of truth. From day to night. My shadow's in the way.
Now, does the wife approve?
This wife here?
Find you.
Where?
Yeah.
Dude, it looks so good. Alright, this time you guys are going to see the before and just like that. Out with the old and in with the new. The new would only take 5 seconds. Alright, let's get your phone and let's get light on this thing. Let's see what it looks like. There it is. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Sorry for the light. It's part of life.
Hey. Flag officially on. I like it.
I like it too. How's this one look? That was good. Let us know in the comments below. Fingerprints.
Yeah. If you have any questions,
Let us know.
be happy to help. Blech.